Getting started with Google Docs collaboration.
Google Docs makes collaborating on documents easy and efficient. With real-time editing, you and your team can work together from anywhere. In this guide, you'll learn how to create a document, share it with others, and collaborate live, making teamwork fast and seamless.
Creating and accessing your document.
To begin, open your web browser and go to docs.google.com. Log in with your Google account. Click the plus icon to create a new document or open an existing one from your drive. Any document you create or open can be set up for collaboration.
Sharing your document for collaboration.
Click the Share button at the top right of your document. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. Use the drop-down menu next to each email to assign permissions like viewer, commenter, or editor. Click Send to share the document instantly.
Collaborating in real time.
Once shared, collaborators can open the document and start editing together. Changes appear instantly for everyone, with each person's cursor shown in a different color. Use the comments feature to leave notes or suggestions, and tag people with @ to get their attention.
Tracking edits and using version history.
To review changes, go to File and select Version History. Here you can see who made each edit and restore earlier versions if needed. This helps teams keep track of contributions and makes it easy to roll back mistakes during collaboration.
Tips for effective collaboration.
Set clear permissions. To avoid confusion, use the chat and comment features to communicate, and regularly review version history. With these tools, Google Docs ensures everyone stays on the same page, making team projects faster and more organized.